Some riders enjoy the protection a rear crash bar provides for the saddlebags and the motorcycle itself, while others are looking for a more sleek, low-profile look. After watching this video today, you'll get to learn the simple task of deleting your rear crash bar so you can decide if this is something you want to tackle yourself. The first step is removing these two mounting pins right here so you can pop off the saddlebag. Pop this off. Find a nice safe spot to put it. Now you're going to pop your seat off. In order to pop your seat off, it's just one bolt here in the back. I'm using a screwdriver. I don't know what kind of bolt you have on yours. Might be something different, something aftermarket. Just one bolt in the back. I'm sure you don't need to see this. If you know what kind of bolt you have, because you've probably taken your seat off before. But one bolt, one quick pull, and the seat is off. In order to get to all the bolts, you gotta pop this side cover off. It's got some rubber grommets, some little pieces here that just pop right into them. That's all they're held in with. Each crash bar will have a lower Allen bolt and a Torx bolt on the middle and the top. Pop these off here real quick, down below. All right, I messed up. I didn't realize there was a nut on the back of this Torx bolt right here. So I need a 15mm wrench to get back there. And it pops right off. I messed up because I was under the assumption that it was just threaded back there and there was no nut. So the top one here is just threaded in. All right. All three bolts are out. That's a little rusty. Pull that end right off. Well, I got these adapters that'll go in the bottom bolt. I got those off Amazon. 30 bucks. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you get this bracket here slid on in the new position, the kit came with new hardware. It's still a 5/32 Allen key, but it's a 10mm nut. Nice and snug. And you take your Torx bit, put it back in the original spot, the lower Torx bit. Actually, I'll take that top Torx bit bolt, I'll just put it back to where it went, just so I don't ever lose it. It's right where it belongs. If I ever decide to put the crash bar back on it, it'll be right there. The new bracket's on. Just take the side cover here, pop it back to its original position. Then you take your bag and put that on into its original position. Crazy. Should have opened it first, huh? Now, take these bolts here. That's it. That's how you delete the rear crash bar. Hopefully by the end of today's video, you've decided which style you like more. Maybe you've got a crash bar you want to take off. Maybe you don't have one, you want to put it on. Start a conversation in the comments below. If you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Remember, if you can't be good, then be good at it.